Purulent drainage. Purulent drainage. Imagine you have a little cut or scrape on your skin. Sometimes when a cut gets infected, it can start to leak some yucky stuff. This yucky stuff is called drainage. Purulent drainage is a special kind of drainage that is thick and often yellow, green, or brown. It usually means that there are germs in the cut and your body is trying to fight them off. This thick drainage can come from an infection, like when your body is working hard to heal itself. So it's important to let a doctor or nurse take a look when there's purulent drainage because they can help make sure the infection is treated and the cut heals properly. So in summary, purulent drainage is thick, yucky liquid that comes from an infected cut or sore. It usually means the body is fighting germs, and it's important to get help from a doctor to make sure everything heals well.